Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I want to teach you how to play the very popular hymn, Victory in Jesus, written by Eugene Bartlett. I'm sure everybody is familiar with that song. It's just a great hymn. It's good to know that we do have victory in Jesus today. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord chart to this song and print that out and have that by your side as we learn this song together. So let's get started. Oh, victory in Jesus, my Savior forever. He sought me and He bought me with His redeeming blood. He loved me ere I knew Him, and all my love is due Him. He plunged me to victory beneath the cleansing flood. All right, that's the chorus to Victory in Jesus, and you may have noticed I'm using the capo on the first fret and using the chord shape of C. It's probably easier to play in the chord of G, but this morning G is too high for me, and probably the best key is D, which you can move the capo up one more fret and play the C shape, and that'd be D, or you could take the capo off and play it in the key of D, okay? But to be a little bit different, I'm just going to play it in C, and you can play with or without the capo, but I'm putting the capo again on the first fret just to raise it up. And that's one good thing about use of the capo. You can use it regardless of what chord shapes you use. If you played in the chord of G, you can just put your capo on different frets to make the song higher or lower. Same thing if you feel more comfortable playing in the key of C major or D major, you can use this capo to kind of help raise the pitch or lower the pitch in order to accommodate your voice. Okay, the chords used to play this song are C major, F major, A minor, D7, G major, and C7. Okay, quick review on these chords. To play C major, place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the first fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 5 of the 3rd fret, strum all strings but the top E string. That is C major. Next is F major. To play F major, you bar across strings 1 and 2 of the 1st fret, place finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then your 3rd finger on string number 4 of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. F major. If you can't play F major that way, you can use the bar chord by playing like the E shape chord, move it up 1 fret, bar across fret number 1. It's F major. Can't play either one of those, play F major 7 just by not barring across strings 1 and 2. Just place finger number 1 on string number 2, then strum the bottom 4 strings. Very beautiful chord, F major 7, but it'll sound a little bit different. So it's best if you can just play the F major chord, okay? All right, then D7. To play D7, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the very 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. That is D7. And then to play A minor, Okay, then C7, to play C7, you just use the regular C major chord taught previously, and then you just add your finger number 4 on string number 3 of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings with the top E string. Here's C major, C7. Okay, we'll look at the strumming pattern for this song. It's written in 4/4 time. There's 4 beats per measure. The strumming pattern I'm using are mostly just down up strumming. I'll be using down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So I'm just kind of hitting that one and then pausing in between one of the half beats there. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Okay, let's look at the chord progression for the verse. Okay, starts with C major. I heard an old story, how a Savior came from glory, how he gave his life on Calvary to save a wretch like me. I heard about his groaning, of his precious blood's atoning. I repented of my sins and won the victory. Then goes right into the chorus. Okay, let's play through that one more time. I, C major, F major, C major, A minor, C major, D7, G, C, F, C, A minor, C, D7, G, C. Okay, not hard. Okay, let's look at the chord progression for the chorus now, okay? Oh, victory in Jesus, my Savior forever. He sought me and he bought me with his redeeming blood. He loved me ere I knew him, and all my love is to him. He plunged me to victory beneath the cleansing flood. Okay. Okay, let's play through this one more time, okay? Oh, victory, C major, then C7, F, C, A minor, C, D7, G, back to C, C7, F, C, C, D7, G, C, F, C. Okay, let's look at the chord progression for the second verse, okay? I heard about his healing, of his cleansing power revealing, how he made the lame to walk again, and caused the blind to see. And then I cried, dear Jesus, come and heal my broken spirit. And somehow Jesus came and brought to me the victory. Then it goes right into the chorus again, okay? Oh, victory in Jesus, my Savior forever. He sought me and he bought me with his redeeming blood. He loved me ere I knew him, and all my love is to him. He plunged me to victory beneath the cleansing flood. Okay, if you enjoyed this lessons and like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button. I'd appreciate that feedback very much. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. I appreciate everybody's viewing today. Have a great day. God bless you.